Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Sougayilang Baitcasting Fishing Reel. Taking performance a step further, the Panther DG Baitcaster are built with a corrosion-resistant ball bearing and CNC machined aluminum forged spool offers maximum strength while reducing weight, which enhances durability and reel life. Comfort is often important when it comes to the handle, as this is the part of the reel an angler will be touching and using most. Panther DG cast reel complete with a super comfortable single power EVA handle for increased power. It's smooth operation without any noise when casting and reeling. Easy to open side cover for cleaning and greasing. Used with 20 pounds mono line and caught several red fishes up to 28 inches without any problem. Built to handle the larger and tough fish, the Sougayilang Panther DG casting reel can outputs 25 pounds of maximum drag, giving anglers tremendous amount of stopping power. It's also a longer handle length built with a classic design feature that give anglers sufficient leverage in a long battle. Panther DG Baitcasting Reel has a larger knob and more comfortable when actually winching against a larger fish. Our second best swimbait reel is Alijoz SuperDuty reel. They cast beautifully and I love the extra line that the wide spool holds. It works well out of my kayak. The SuperDuty wide speed spool series brings significantly greater line capacity to a baitcast reel designed for heavy duty fishing applications, such as flipping heavy jigs on big line, handling the large and cumbersome umbrella rigs, and fishing big crankbaits and giant swimbaits. Premium 11 bearing system with double shielded stainless steel ball bearings and 0 reverse one-way clutch bearing. High strength brass gearing precision cut for increased strength and durability. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Alijoz SuperDuty Baitcast Reel. The SuperDuty 300 is truly the ultimate reel for big bait, heavy line, big fish situations around the country and around the world. I love this reel, it is lightweight and feels really durable. Each of these rays was 20 pounds and I also caught lots of ladyfish on this reel as well. Love the reel, it is lightweight and feels really durable. The SuperDuty 300 is a supersized version of the original SuperDuty, with increased line capacity and overall brute strength. The 300 was made for fishing 8 to 10 inch swimbaits for double-digit bass. Premium 7 bearing system with stainless steel double shielded bearings and 0 reverse one-way clutch. Externally adjustable multi-setting brake dual cast control system utilizes both an external click dial for setting the magnetic brake, plus 4 individually disengaging, disc-mounted internal brake shoes that operate centrifugally. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is KastKing Kapstan Baitcasting Fishing Reel. KastKing Kapstan is an amazing reel for ocean lingcod, halibut and rockfish. I have used this reel on lakes casting big swim baits as well as bait fishing for catfish and striped bass. Compared to the brand name performance reels my fishing buddies use of the same size but more than twice the cost. The Kapstan was either outperforming them or performing on par. The KastKing Kapstan 300 baitcasting reel uses a rigid and tough graphite frame and side covers to keep weight down, manganese brass main and pinion gears for strength and durability, and a stainless steel main shaft for consistent performance and durability. Kapstan is made for big fish, big baits and tough conditions, so KastKing used a powerful triple disc carbon drag system, and that is exceptionally smooth and delivers 35 pounds of fish stopping drag when you need it most. The CNC aluminum braid ready, high capacity spool will also offer bigger line capacity. KastKing Kapstan 300 baitcasting reel features a braid ready aluminum spool that eliminates adding mono backing before filling your reel with braided line. Last in our top 5 best swimbait reel list is Piscifun Alijoz baitcasting reels. The Piscifun Alijoz size 300 baitcasting reel designed with premium aluminum frame and gear side plate which provide incredible durability to handle the biggest freshwater fish. Boasts with an incredible 33 pounds of drag and huge hami-cut hardened brass gearing to handle fish way out of its league, the Alijoz is built for big fish and big swimbaits which make it a great inshore saltwater baitcasting fishing reel. Loaded with high-end components, Alijoz 300 baitcasting reels are a next-level baitcaster reels for pro fishing tournaments. Alijoz features 8 double-shielded stainless steel bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse pair with hami-cut hardened brass main gear and pinion gear to ensure the durability, low noise as well as smoothness. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.